Ever dreamed of ditching the daily grind and making money doing what you love? Many of us feel trapped in traditional jobs, facing long hours and limited growth. But what if I told you there's a way to break free? In this video, I'll reveal insider tips for building a profitable side hustle that can lead to financial independence. So, stay tuned for some life-changing advice. The first step is to discover your money-making passion. It's all about aligning your passions with profit. Think about your skills and hobbies. What do you love doing that could also bring in some income? There are so many unconventional side hustle ideas out there, from freelance writing to handmade crafts. Let's explore how you can turn your interest into a thriving side business. Next, it's crucial to validate your idea. Market research is your best friend here. You need to determine if there's a demand for your product or service. One way to do this is by gathering customer feedback. Ask potential customers what they think and use their insights to refine your offering. This step is key to ensuring your side hustle has a solid foundation. Now, let's talk about building a strong foundation. Creating a solid business plan is essential. Your plan should include elements like identifying your target audience, setting your pricing, and devising a marketing strategy. Additionally, practical tips for budgeting and financial management will help you keep your side hustle on track. With a well-thought-out plan, you'll be ready to succeed. All right, let's dive into the fourth tip: leverage the power of online platforms. You see, you can really utilize social media and online marketplaces to your advantage. By creating engaging content and building a loyal online audience, you can open up a world of opportunities. For instance, many successful side hustlers have harnessed the potential of platforms like Instagram, Etsy, and YouTube. These individuals have turned their passions into profitable ventures simply by tapping into the vast reach of the internet. So don't underestimate the power of going digital. 5. Overcome challenges and stay persistent. Now let's talk about some common hurdles faced by side hustlers, like time management and self-doubt. It's important to acknowledge these challenges, but don't let them hold you back. To build resilience and motivation, try setting small, achievable goals and celebrating your progress along the way. Remember, every step forward counts. And hey, let me share some inspiring stories of people who overcame obstacles and found success. Their journeys can be a great source of motivation for you. 6. Scale your side hustle. Once you've got the ball rolling, it's time to think about growth. Consider strategies like outsourcing tasks, forming partnerships, or expanding your offerings. It's crucial to reinvest your profits back into your business to fuel further growth. But don't forget to balance this growth with maintaining the quality of your product or service. It's a fine line, but with careful planning, you can scale successfully. 7. Create a sustainable income stream. Long-term planning is key to building a side hustle that lasts. Diversifying your income sources can help you weather any financial storms. And don't overlook the potential of passive income streams. These can provide steady revenue with less ongoing effort, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business or even start new ventures. In conclusion, let's recap the key points and benefits of starting a side hustle. We've talked about overcoming challenges, scaling your business, and creating a sustainable income stream. The potential for financial freedom and personal fulfillment is within your reach. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards your side hustle dreams today. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Please see our other motivational videos to improve your life further.